morning students. In previous class we have completed mixed pack word problems. Now we are going to learn these mental maths problems. Okay, here are some quick methods of adding and subtracting certain types of numbers by breaking up one of the numbers. Okay, first add 1258 and 18. Okay, I will explain here. Look, 1258 plus 18 given. Okay, in these two, which one is the smallest number? 18 is a two-digit number. It is very small, so we'll take 18. Okay, is 18 is nearer to 10 or 20? Yes, it is nearest to 20, so we'll take 20. 18 equal to 20 minus how much we have to subtract to get 18? Yes, 2. Okay, 18 is nearer to 20, so we took here 20. From 20, how much we have to subtract to get 18? 2. So we subtracted 2. This is important first. Okay, now here for addition we will directly do this. Any symbol not there means addition symbol is there, so we'll directly do whatever symbol is there that we have to do. Okay, first we have to add 20 to 1258. Okay, then 1258 plus 20 equal to, yes, 20 means for tens place we have to add 2. Okay, for tens place we have to add 2, so we'll get here 1278. Next, first add, next subtraction. Okay, subtract, what is here? 2. Subtract 2 from this number 1278. 1278 minus 2 equal to 1276. This is the answer. If we add these two, we will get this answer. Okay, now I will explain one more. For example, 3456 plus 23 is given. 3456 plus 23. Okay, first this 23 is smallest number, so we'll take here 23 equal to, it is nearer to 20 or 30? Yes, near to 20, so we'll take 20. How much we have to add to get 23? Yes, 3. 20 plus 3. Here this 18 is less than 20, so we have subtracted. Here 23 is greater than 20, so we'll add 3. Okay, now this is main important. Now first here nothing is there means addition, so add 20 to 3456. What we will get is, for tens place we have to add 2. 20, so we'll get 3476. Okay, next, here addition is there, subtraction is there? Addition, so again add 3 to this number 3476. Therefore 3476 plus 3 equal to 76, 77, 78, 79. 3479 is the answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Like this you have to do. If they get it, if it is less than means we have to do subtraction. If it is greater than this number means we have to do addition. Okay, now look at third example. For example, 9872 minus 18 is there. Okay, now this is 4-digit number and this is 2-digit number, so this 18 is the smallest number, so we'll take here 18. 18 equal to, 18 is nearer to 10 or 20? Yes, 20, so we'll take 20 here. 20, in these two which one is smallest one? 18. Okay, this side smallest one, so we'll do subtraction. 20, how much we have to subtract from 20 to get 18? 2, so we'll take here 2. Okay, this is 18 equal to 20 minus 2. Now for addition, for addition, whatever here is there, okay, whatever here nothing symbol is there means it will be plus 20 only. Whatever symbol is there, we did that, okay. For if 20 minus 2 means here addition symbol is there, so addition given means we will do first add 20 then subtract 2. But if they gave subtraction in the question means we have to do opposite, okay. Look, first here plus 20 given, but we will do subtraction, okay. Subtract 20 from 9872, okay. 9872 minus 20. Yes, very easy. For tens place we have to subtract minus 2, okay. 2 will write as it is. 7 minus 2, 5, 8 and 9, 9852, okay. Now here addition symbol given, so we did subtraction. Here subtraction symbol given, so we will do here addition. Add 2 to this 9852, okay. Then we will get 9852 plus 2 equal to 9854 is the answer, okay. Very easy. For addition in the question, if they give plus means we have to do as it is, but for subtraction, if we have to do opposite. If it is plus means we have to subtract, if it is minus means we have to add, okay. Now I will explain one more, fourth one, okay. For example, 8964 minus 43, okay. Look, 43 is nearer to 40 or 50? Yes, it is nearer to 40, okay. 40, so we will write here 40. In these two, which one is biggest one? 43. So we will add, okay. If it is biggest means we will add, if it is smallest means we will do subtraction. 40 plus how much we have to add, then we will get 43. Yes, 3. 40 plus 3. Now what I said, for subtraction is there means we will do opposite. Here nothing is there means addition only. So 40, first 40, first we will subtract 40 from 8964, okay. 8964 minus 40 for tens place we have to subtract 4, then we will get 8924, okay. Now here also addition symbol is there, so we will do again subtraction, okay. Subtract 3 from which number? This number are here. Yes, this number 8924. 8924 minus 3 equal to 8924 minus 3, 1, okay. This is answer. Like this you have to do. Very easy. For example, in the question they gave 16 means 16 is 20 minus 4, okay. 20 minus, it is nearer to 20. 20 from 20 we have to subtract 4 to get 16, okay. 20 minus 4. If in the question they gave addition, any problem, for example 76 plus 16 given means, plus given means, we will do directly. First we add 20, then we will subtract 4. If they gave subtraction means we will do opposite. 20 plus 20 given means minus 20 will do. Here minus 4 is there, so we will add 4, okay. For subtraction we will do opposite. For addition whatever we got we will do as it is, okay. Look, in textbook page number 111, here work out the following mentally, same in that process only. These first 6 are additions and next one are subtractions. You have to do in this process only, okay. And look at next bit, horse, okay. Here some fill in the blanks given. Look, some boxes, empty boxes given, we have to fill that boxes, okay. Listen carefully. this upper number is, we call it as bigger number, and the second one is smaller number, and this last one is difference. Okay, bigger number, smaller number, difference. Whatever answer we got, we call it as difference. Okay, if in the question, if above numbers, if above places, if above digits are empty, okay, here empty is there, if they gave this empty means we have to add these two, down to we have to add. Okay, smaller number, difference. Okay, if they gave the smaller number is empty means we have to subtract this difference from this number. If it is unable to subtract means we will take borrow. Okay, next, if this difference is not given means we will do subtraction. Okay, very easy. For above number, if above empty is there means we will add these two and we will write here. Okay, here empty given, so we will add these two and write here. 5 plus 0 is 5, like that. Okay, if this smaller number and difference boxes empty, here empty given, no, if they gave like this means we will do subtraction. Okay, if it is unable to subtract means we will take borrow. Okay, look here, I will do a problem. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, now what I said, second means smaller number, if it is empty means we will do here also subtraction only. From 1 we cannot subtract 7, so we will take borrow, it will be 11, this 9 will become 8. Okay, 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, next 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, now 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Like this we will do. Okay, I will explain this also. Back side again two problems are there, you have to do that one. Okay, look, middle number not given, smaller number not given, so we will do subtraction only. 3 minus 0 is 3. Here above number not given, if they not given these above numbers digits means we have to add these two. 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, here smaller digit not given, so 5 minus 0 is 5. Above not given, so 6 plus 0 is 6. If this line not given means we have to do addition, these two addition. If these two boxes in this any number not given means remaining we have to subtract. Okay, now look, 4 minus 3 is 1. Like this you have to do. Look here, try this and do the problem and send me the pic. Okay, now problem solving. Here study this pattern. 10 minus 7 is the same as 9 minus 6. From 10 we are subtracting 1 and 7 we are subtracting 1. So we will get 9 and 6. We will get same answer. Like that only. 200 minus 56, 199 minus 55. Okay, look, same way here also. 4999 minus 2455 is easier to subtract than this. Here zeros are given, so we will take like this. Okay, look, I will explain this, you have to do this. Look, 80,000 minus 52,368. It is very hard to do subtraction. We will subtract 1, then we will get 80,000 is there means we will get 79,999. Here we are subtracting 1, so here also we have to subtract 1. Then we will get 52,367. Now it is easy to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, same nothing is there, we have to subtract here 1, here 1, then we will get this. Okay, it is easy, do this one. Okay, look, life skill. Often when you go shopping you have to estimate the amount of money you should carry. You can do this by rounding off and adding. Already I told this topic, round off. Yes, you want to buy a pen approx 15 rupees, a book approx 85 rupees and a notebook approx 18 rupees. How much money should you carry? first we will round up these numbers. For 15 is nearer to 20, so we'll take 20. 85 is nearer to 90, 18 is nearer to 20, like this we'll take. Now look, 23 is nearer to 20, okay, 20 plus 56 is nearer to 60. Next 78 is nearer to 80, 16 is nearer to 20. Okay, we'll take this like this and you have to add. Do this one, nearest to hundreds. Okay, 145 is nearer to 100 and 260 is nearer to 300. 375 is nearer to 400 and add that total. Okay, here also same 66. For 66 we have to round up nearest to tens. Okay, 66 means we will take 70. 35, 5 given, so we have to take next only. 40, 58 means we will take next only, so 60. 45 means it is also next. 50. Okay, add this total. This much amount you have to take. Look here children, textbook page number 113, crass curricular questions. Here the lengths of some important rivers in India are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 given. You have to answer these questions. Which is the longest river in India? In this, which one is longest you have to write here. Okay, how much longer is it than the second longest river? Subtract these. Okay, which one is longest river minus second longest river. Okay, next write the lengths of the rivers correct to the nearest 100 kilometers. Write these nearest to 100. Okay, nearest to 100 kilometers. Do here only. Okay, do nearest to 100 for these numbers in rough paper and write answers here. Okay, do this in textbook only, don't write in fair notes. And this is fun activity. Magic square is given here. A magic square should have the same total horizontally, vertically and diagonally. Horizontal, vertical and diagonally. Okay, diagonal means like this also. Okay, fill in the blanks to complete the magic square. Add this total, then you will get one number. Add these two, then subtract that whatever answer you got that from this number, then you will get one number right here. Add these two and subtract that from this number, this total number, then whatever you will get you will write here. Okay, complete these in textbook only. Textbook, this also textbook and this also in textbook only. Here these also write in textbook only, don't write in fair notes. These bits also do in textbook only. Only these bit you have to write in fair notes. Okay, complete this total in textbook only. Thank you.